Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about subtraction of mixed numbers. This math is intended for grade 4. I have here number 1, 8 1 over 3 minus 5 5 over 6. As you notice, there are two numbers. Number 1 is mine, and then later you will be the one to solve number 2. Write your answer in the comment. So I will solve number 1. So 8, we can subtract this one, but this one is 1 subtracted by 5. It cannot be. So first thing to do is need to rename. So this will be 8, and then this will be 5. Then I have to find the LCD between, I have two denominators, right? 3 and 6. So my LCD between 3 and 6 is 6. And then start dividing by 6. That will be 1 times 5 is 5. And then 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1. This will be 2. So as you notice, 2 cannot be subtracted by 5. So I need to borrow from a whole number. So borrow 1, this will be 7. Okay, so this will be 7. The one that I borrow from 8, that will be equal to the same with the denominator. So this will be 6 over 6. So I have here 6 over 6. Then plus the existing fraction, which is 2 over 6. 2 over 6. Okay, so I need to copy this one. This will be 5. And then I have here 5 over 6. This will be subtraction. So this will be 7. Since the same denominators, so I need to add this one. 6 plus 2 is 8. And then this one will be 5. Then copy 5 over 6. Then this will be subtract or subtraction. So I can now subtract 7, take away 5, that is 2. And then 8, take away 5 is 3. Since this is reducible, so I need to reduce by dividing by 3. So this will be 2, 1 over 2. So for number 1, answer is 2 and half. Now let's proceed to number 2. What if it's only whole number? This will be 27, and then minus 12. Then I have 6 over 21. So what shall I do for this number 2? So first thing to do is, I will borrow from here. This borrow 1, this will be 26. Okay, 26. Since I have here 21, so I need to write this one, 21. And then 21 over 21. This will be 12. And then 6 over 21. Subtract. So this will be 6 minus 2 is 4. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So I have 14. How about the fraction? The fraction will be, so else the same. This is similar fraction. So this will, I wrote 21 in here. And then try to subtract 21 minus 6. So 21 minus 6 is equal to 15. Because I will borrow from here and then put the 1 beside with 1. So 11 minus 6 is 5, and then bring down 1. So this will be 15 over 21. Since 15 is odd and 21 also, so I need to divide this one by 3. So this will be 14. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then 21 divided by 3 is 7. So number 2 is 14 and 5 over 7 is the answer. That's all.